Hello everyone, welcome to another unboxing video here on my channel, What Up Streams. This time we will be taking a look at the MASTERLIQUID ML120L RGB AIO cooler from Cooler Master. I bought this cooler for just a little under 100 New Zealand dollars. So it wasn't that expensive and it wasn't that cheap either. This is just a single fan though, a single fan radiator. So we'll go ahead and try to check the box out and see what's inside. This is my first AIO cooler, by the way. At the moment I'm using the stock RYZEN, I think it was the Wraith cooler, the small one for the RYZEN 2600. I decided to, have a little bit of experience on installing an AIO for a more quieter case or fans on my computer. So on the box you can see here some information that you would need, or some descriptions about the AIO. So it's an RGB lit. It has an RGB lit pump with the Cooler Master logo in it, and an RGB fan that goes along with the radiator. Okay, just trying to figure out how to get this box open at the moment. On this side, no. Okay, how do it? Okay, I think it's on this side. Okay, so right off the box, you'll see a foam covering, and then you'll see the contents inside. So let's see. Okay, we have the fan here. This is the fan that came along with this cooler. I have a similar fan that's already installed on my PC, and this one I think are your screws and your brackets, and some cords there, or wires, pin wires. This one for your LED fans. That's for an Intel bracket, if I'm not mistaken. That's for your Intel motherboards. Pin connectors, 4-pin connectors. And this one is your thermal paste, and your RGB controller. Yeah, it's pretty cool, eh? This one has an RGB controller in it for your RGB fans, and these are your screws, and a Molex connector, a female and a male, with a two pin connector right there. I think the 2-pin is for RGB as well, or I think it's for controlling the fan via your motherboard. Sorry guys, I'm not 100% sure about it. This is your warranty information, a warranty card. You might want to keep this. And this is that's the manual. Some moist absorber here on the packaging, and the radiator with the pump. It has a good weight to it. That's the copper plate right there, a flat copper plate. There's plastic cover on it. Radiator, good for 120mm fan. And a mesh tube right there. It's quite sturdy. It's really nice. I can't wait to have this installed on my PC. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, if you have any comments or suggestions, just let me know. Leave a comment below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for the page for more content. Once again, thank you, and you have a great day. Bye.